Yeah, yeah.
Woo. Yeah, done. Woo. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a video, as in I'm gonna be doing a price video, 1/2 inch and 3/8 steel price video, and I'm gonna be giving you a walkthrough video. Phil's Hardware, that's a Phil's Hardware on Spanish Town Road. I know they have 2 other brands. Right guys, so I know they have 2 other branches. I know one is on Constant Spring Road, but this one I'm gonna be giving you a walkthrough is on, what's it called? Oh, Twickenham Park, somewhere there, but closer to Spanish Town. So I'm gonna be giving you a walkthrough video, and I'm gonna be showing you some prices there, door price, fixtures price, paint price, you know, tile price. They have a few tiles there, not many, but a few. So guys, stick around for the video. Go through. So right now we're in Phil's Hardware, and I'm gonna be looking at the, look at the thing. Gonna be looking at the kitchen sink. Phil's have them sell tiles. So these are the tiles. 17 by 17. 6,006. I don't know what that is.
This they look good for the veranda.
Oh yeah, they want a nice veranda tile. It's rough too.
Rough.
So it's,
so you can't slide.
yeah, and see one more here. But we prefer the one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
This, when I put this down over the bathroom.
And that's the price. No man, this too
What are the
easy.
quarter?
This is what the one is. Oh, the also so one more. This is the square one. 850, 22 by 22. They don't have a lot of variety. I don't know if them is a big. This one nice enough. 1,800, 24 by 24. This one is also a nice one. This 1,800. You think them expensive?
This one is in my bathroom.
Yeah.
Then is in a living room or the kitchen.
Oh. Love this one, this grey one. 1,800, yeah.
In the bathroom floor.
This can use in the bathroom for real, yeah. And it's flat. Look that nice too. But I look for the map tile it. I look for the face base for them. We're in Phil's Hardware. We see the field that they're on the way to all the way to the back. So they have paint. This is the paint section. Oh, this apply. Let's see how much I'm still applying for. Oh, this is a lattice. This is the farm ply. Or lattice, like you're making a fence. You can make it, and these are like the tile edging. Tile trim. They come in gold, grey, and different color. They also have ply doors. Don't see any price on it, don't you? And we have pine doors. Let me check on the price of the pine doors. These are regular bedroom doors. Those are the price. 30 by 80, 11,500, 32, 12,650, 36, 13,800. And they have different size. Those are the hollow core, like the molded doors. And those are the solid pines. These are the solid pines. And you also have windows. Don't see any price on this window. Most persons make their own window instead of getting the ready-made. And those are the prices for the windows. You also have board. You have the cathedral door. It's metal. I don't see a price on that one. And you have the bifold door. There's price somewhere, but I don't see it. So we're in Phil's Hardware, and I'm not gonna go any further. Here we have the bathroom vanity. But I don't see a price on it. Those are just basic. And you also have like the cupboard. And that's just 10. Is the cupboard expensive? Or they also have these. These look like some mahogany door. The price is $145,000 for the 36 by 80. They also have some. Those are nice. Those are the hollow core doors. Oh, these are closet doors. With the hollow closet door. And these are the stained closet doors. Those are the price. Okay. You have this one is a half French door. It's a metal. What's the price on that one? These are the regular metal door. 6 panel 30 by 80. Oh, this door is expensive. And those. We have these. Fine door, but it's sprayed in the furniture color. A T-jaw. And this one. That one is 32 by 80, 63,000 something. Alright, so we have the stained one here. This comes in 2 jars. And that's the price. Price is good, but the quality not looks so. Yeah, so we're in Phil's Hardware. And there's Phil's on. What are the Phil's on there? Twickenham Park, Phil's. Phil's Hardware, that's Twickenham Park. And they also sell faucets. Yeah, the rain shower head. This is the prices. The price is not bad, 12-inch, that one. And that one is 14,578. Price is good. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, it does. Woo! So right now, I'll steal a job. It tie on and the yeah. Yeah, so we have still 2 bongo and some trees. So this right here is a 2-length steel. We have from Phil's and we put in the prices. Yeah. Yes, guys, so now that you have seen the prices throughout the store, I take you guys on the walkthrough with me. So now I'm gonna be giving you the price as to the half-inch steel and the trade steel. So in June 2022, half-inch steel price was for $200,000. That is inclusive of tax. And we're talking about Phil's Hardware. November, the price is $156,400. That's good news because these days, material, workmen, everything is going up. So when steel is going down, guys, you gotta run and get your steel. If you know your building is gonna be taking 4 tons of steel, buy the 4 tons and put it down. Don't wait until the price go up, because you know things fluctuate and every dollar count when you're doing construction. So this is good news. Go and buy a half in steel. So this price, 156,400. This price is the latest price in steel. So we have a reduction from 200,000 in June 2022 to 156,400 in November. Guys, thanks for watching. Like up the video, comment on the video, share the video, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you know someone building in Jamaica, share the video with them. It is good news when you hear a reduction on prices, construction material. Guys, share up the video. Bye, I'm out.